What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I wanted to make this video really quick to actually show you how you can make cash cow videos. Now I'm gonna pull up a cash cow video right now, show you guys, and actually just give you a taste of what I'm about to show you, right, on how to make this, right? So let me go right here. Top 5 luxury cars. Actually this one right here, right? So this is right here.
In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 luxury features of the Cullinan Rolls-Royce. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Rolls-Royce is known for limousine-like sedans such as the Ghost and Phantom, but the...
Alright, so you get it, right? It's pictures, it's videos. The videos are going side to side, they're moving, and there's subtitles and there's a voice behind it, right? So this is exactly how you make that entire video. First, go to the first link in my description on this video. It's called Vidnami. Now, basically the way Vidnami works is it's like a super editor, right? But the catch is it costs a lot of money per month, right? So right now they have this 40% off sale, which is basically gonna be $29 a month, but it's way too expensive in my opinion, right? So when you first sign up, they give you a 2-week trial, and basically this is how it looks, right? So you can just go to the let's create a new video, and this is very easy to use. Like I said, it's a super editor, but there's a catch, and basically the catch is this: when you download this video, if you're on your free trial, it's gonna have a crazy watermark all over the video, and you won't be able to use an automated voice unless you upgrade, right? So I'm gonna show you how to get around that so you can still make your video and still do what you gotta do, right? The whole idea of this is to get a cash cow video, right? So as you can see, they have a whole bunch of templates all over this website. They have cool blue, lime green, different subtitles, different colors for the subtitles, different layouts if you want to make an Instagram video, an advertisement for Facebook, all different types of stuff, right? That's why I call it a super editor, right? So let's pick this vivid orange, right? So boom, use this template, customize this template. We're just gonna use it, and basically you wanna it's like steps, right? Name your video. So let's just put top 10 luxury features of Rolls-Royce, right? So boom, that's the title, and then you can have your script, right? Now with cash cow videos, it's a big thing to have a long, you know, script, so your video can have, it's just your script, right? So boom, you want to add your script. Now you can pay for scripts, you can write them on your own, or you can go to websites that do this whole thing for you, right? It depends on how much money you have, what you want to do, what direction you're going. And right now the direction that we're going in is we're doing it all on our own, right? So say I had a script right here, right? I just put it in, and then basically what they'll do is they'll turn your script into subtitles for each part of the video, and I'll show you right now, right? So let's just put the quick brown fox. I don't know, I feel like I've seen that a lot. The quick brown fox, something like that. And then here's the most interesting part, right? So when you're putting your video together, right, you can basically, wow, they actually found a fox. Isn't that interesting? That's really cool. They found a fox. That's dope. Just off the title, right? So as you can see, you can find different videos, different images, and put them in your video, and it is completely free of copyright. You're not gonna get striked. Nothing's gonna happen to you, right? You can just use it for your video, right? So this is the title, or this is the first part of the video, the intro, whatever, right? So say I want to click another scene, right? I will go down here, press add new scene, and what if I wanted another picture of a fox? I will go to find media, type in fox right here, clips, and then boom, they have all of these different images of foxes, of different animals, whatever you want, and you can basically use it, and it'll be a video. It's non-copyright. So this will be the first part of the video, the first part and then this will be the next part that shows up, and whatever you guys get it, right? So then also, if you wanted to upload your own video or upload your own pictures, you can also do that. And trust me, they have a lot of different things. If your car is about Rolls Royces, then if your video is about Rolls Royces, type in Rolls Royce. You're gonna get the same images that I found here that you just seen, right? If you're gonna type in race car, then a whole bunch of race cars is gonna pop up. You feel me? Let me see, race car. Boom. A whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of images is gonna pop up. Now you wanna look at this, right? And you wanna make sure that everything is going right? So when you're doing this video that I'm showing you right now is not gonna show you every piece of how to use this website. This is basically showing you the game, the source, whatever you wanna call it, right? So say you wanna put something on here, right? Say, I love race cars, right? Now you can pick where you want this to be. This can be in the middle, it can be at the bottom, it can be at the left hand side, the right hand side, the top, whatever. This is on you, right? So then you just keep going. You put your next scene and you just keep going and going and going. And like I said, you can put videos, you can put images. So let's put an image of a race car, right? So boom, we want to put an image of a race car, and then boom, we can do this. You see motion, we can have it zoom in or we can have it zoom out. So basically, bro, they're gonna create the whole video for you, right? Now say we're done, this is beautiful, we didn't play it with all the settings. I turned the orange from orange to red because I didn't like orange anymore. I made the text a little bit bigger, you know what I'm saying? Then you wanna go to voice, right? And basically you can have a voice, right? Now listen.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
So boom, they can actually give you an automated voice, but like I said, you're gonna have to pay for that. So I'm gonna show you how to get around that in 1 second, right? So let's say we're gonna get around that in 1 second. We don't want no music, or we just want music behind it, whatever. we're gonna get the audio straight in 1 second, right? So they'll put your whole thing together, right? Now you can adjust the timing of the images, you can adjust all of that, but you got to get on that on your own. So go on Vidnami after this video and go look at how you do that, right? So say it looks good, continue, and then like it says right here, videos generated during your free trial will be watermarked. To remove the watermark, upgrade now. So we're gonna generate this video and I'm gonna show you the watermark that they actually give you, right? And then we're gonna actually go to this website. We're gonna go to Google and we're going to look up text to speech. So this is what you want to do, right? You want to get this website ready, right? Now remember, we couldn't get the automated voice because they said you need to actually pay for it, right? And when you download these videos, if you don't pay for it anyway, they're gonna give you a huge nasty watermark. So I'm gonna show you how to get around both of those things, right? So let's see right here. So boom, we're just gonna go to a normal text to speech. We don't even gotta really look at it like that. And then like all text to speech websites, they allow you to play it, right?
Hi, how can I help you? Great. No problem. Your transaction is complete. Have a great day. Feel free to type anything else and even choose another voice.
So yeah, that voice didn't even sound that bad, right? So what you could do is this. Once your video is downloaded, now I don't know why it's taking so long. There was nothing really there to even do. I don't know why it's taking so long. But this is what you're gonna wanna do, right? Once your preview is set, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a screen recording service or something like that, and then you're gonna basically screen record your video, right? So here's a video, right? Now this has no watermark, has nothing. Record this right here. Record it, play it through. Boom. Record it, play it through, record it, save that recording, and then you're gonna record this. You're gonna put your entire script into one of these text to speech websites, and then you're gonna go and play it and then record your screen and then save it. So that way you have both. You recorded the video, right? You saved that. Then you recorded the audio and you saved that. And now all you gotta do is put it together in editing, right? Because like I said, if you wanted to do it this way, they're gonna put a nasty watermark on your video. And I don't know why it's taking so long for like a 3-second video, but you're gonna get a nasty watermark. It's not gonna look good, and then it's just not gonna be able to work. So you didn't waste all your time doing that. But if you do it the way I just told you just now, you're basically gonna be able to run around all those problems and stuff like that, right? So that's it. That's the video, man. And then one of my next videos, I'll show you guys how to make a thumbnail for a cash cow video. It's very, very, very easy. I use Photoshop, so and I can teach it very well. So that'll be the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here. Remember, get on Vidnami. It costs money to actually use the voice. It costs money to actually download the video. But if you screen record everything, then you'll be able to bypass all of that, right? So the download just finished. I'm gonna show y'all really quick, right, how it looks. So boom, as you can see, it says trial, trial, trial all over there. So it's no way you could use that video. But if you do the method that I said, use OBS, download it, use a screen recorder, screen record the video while it's in the preview section, screen record your text to speech of them saying it, go edit it, put it together, do a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, finessing, and you're done, bro. So that's the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.